Premier nyimba ezimu kumpya era Maxwell DJ ajja kuba tuyisa mu maaso kawo tulabe nyimba kyempya eziri ku desk oba eziri ku office ye this season omwezi twakagutandika omwezi gukyali mu pyanyonyi ndala naye music wa February achalemedde mu March music wa January achalemeddeko. It is a bit competitive music
waliwo music
tebata music
masijukira kwa
gobe kaya ye bamuntu gujana gwako January nga gwako wa Febu
yatawa wenyimba nga 3 kumu
Oh no. January mwalimu nyimba za Moses Blaze by Elevation Worship.
Okay. So we counting from
February. Exactly.
Name music wa February necessarily made them mugokusatu. Tugenda batuyogera kompola mpola. You can hit me up on all my social media platforms, on X, on Instagram, on Threads, everywhere. Ne ku TikTok, take MC Mats Live. Ojakola kanga onfuna tulabikenga to engaging ikintu kitambuze mpola mpola nkwaniriza ku show ya lero.
Okay, call me Maxwell DJ. As usual, you have to follow me up. Buli wamu ku gundi jange. Lusinze labira na yenga. Tulina okugoberagana. But you can as well follow us at Kingdom Media. That is at Kingdom TV on Facebook. Still Kingdom TV ku Twitter. Kingdom TV buli wamu literally ne ku TikTok. Je tuli nnyo mutulabiranga ddala era bana bagaba kasente. Kingdom Media temujerabira. we are one of the top bloggers. Sandra Vele buli kaseera nga ateeka update ku update. Yes, they have to give us some of the money. I'm telling you. Otherwise, you can follow me on my personal pages at MaxwellDJ_256. Yes.
All right.
Otherwise, twakubyeko ndowooza olimba lwa gwe wekka.
Okay.
And nenyimba zesigenda premiering 5 to 7, but I've already been playing
throughout the day.
Yeah, throughout the day. Wali olimba luno mvubuka Ethan Music. Ethan Music I know limbo lupya. Nendo za balusabye but I think I'll play it.
Okay.
I think I'll play it. Ethan Music I know lupya, Gundi I know lupya ono what is his
There is this lady called Faith Robina. She also has a
new song. Amazing. So naate ngawe nabagamba lulieri nti byantagenda bera music na FB bagenda bera music kati kambagambe macho nagenda bera music nine nyimba zemanyi apparently nga zigenda kuba zitebwa waneno in this particular month nalabyeko nono mwana nga atagundi that Trisha naye nga alikuta hatiza gundi yatadde naye Ram budget yatadde right yeah gundi yatadde naye that mama person
Yamponya is how long ago
then
Yamponya copy black.
I think that was last week.
Yeah.
If I'm mistaken, that was last week. Ne twakazanyeko nako Sandra kasosa then ndio kanyingira. Though obudde buno tusimanyi to driving anyimba mekeza copy. Because
there are 3.
I told you we have
to count.
Not 4.
No ngojeko lyo
I think 3. Yamponya. Baweka then ne kali kalinga ne Ian Gundi. Na ate chemani.
No,
kati mukadde.
Okay.
Kati ye mukadde katumbale nti mukadde.
Tubale nyimba 3.
Because atadde every month. Oba mu February atadde mu beat.
Copy releases every month. Mu March muneno subiramu my guy Giovanni agenda kuba na yatutamu atwayo.
DJ Giovanni?
He told me
DS
March.
Javans.
Yes, I also had one of that. Then there is this also young man, or no, is it Rixie Beat, something like that. In a year, I know him about Vampereza was in studio, but they were running to a video director. So I don't know.
Joe Flight also did one for the father.
I saw it. I saw it playing also.
Yeah.
So I may not be able to play it.
I was with him yesterday, and he was Yambuli Day. Just he wanted to make the dad happy. Day, but he was telling me just because there was a new for TV and what. Just it was a gift for the dad. But I never project in the feelings. It's a good one. Bugatti.
Gabi Intante has a project. Gabi has a project, but I don't know why she's not yet releasing it. Nabadeka we wa Patrick Miles. Project Agina. Project Agina. The visuals are done, but she's still holding the song. I don't know why she has decided to do that, but we pray to God she releases the song. So we're just waiting to see, because those are by the time of February. So katunda tulabe kikyagenda tukolera.
All right. New music is still on whatever.
Social media tukyali naye.
Gwamanyi. Yes.
Ndowooza kakubira ddala.
Okay, so tag us in case you're having a new release nga tunaba lufuna. We can talk about it. Twinzo kalaba mu coin tulaba, you know, netukogera ko ikintu kiraka nkitambula Kampala. Ekibuga Kampala kiri busy bali mu kusimba emiti, so watch out mu ntambula zone. Naddala mu abagala okukola panya if you're walking, you know, oyinza okulima omuddo. Naddala abavuga emmotoka bobanga oyina omuzogo okulitalinga the papers, you know, after eating, you know, no isaka papula no kasuulere mabega omuzogo gujinza okutwaza eruzire emyaka gyotamanyi oba okuliwa ssente. So watch out ekintu ekirabike nga mukitambuza malidadi sana, unless otherwise bajja kubakwata era bajja kubakwatira. Nalabye tikya sulfur yawanise whatever yawanise ekivulu
ekivulu
abikola every after when
I think Taliko time. Taliko time.
He did one in November,
he did one in November.
Okay.
I think he's doing it again. But I don't know. Just love him even this time.
Alieka na kuznabye tegekera.
Okay. Na ye, what happened to Just Love?
I don't know. El Shaddai, I know kutunyonyola. I tried to text him just, you know, a couple of like maybe weeks ago. No, actually he's cooking up more things.
By na chabarete
in a project over OBJ.
Ya comedy in the gospel.
Ya comedy. Ankati
there is putting this
to
sleep no so
no, I think they're different things. Nti tuizo kwa MC Mats the brand. Name MC Mats come from your brand chi MC Mats yalangambe. Enjiri ku street, we enjiri ku street. Tunobe ya enjiri ku street. Kati we have to differentiate between enjiri ku street ya MC Mats ne MC Mats. Osegera. Kati enjiri ku street is a whole different thing. Ku enjiri ku street. So Chalyo kola cholyo go kogerako. What I know it's a whole different thing than church love. Kati tubuza kuruno is church love also withdrawing.
It's not mentioned anywhere on the poster. It's not mentioned anywhere on the poster. Nabako bintu bilala nyo, so I don't know if they are still partnering together. Either they will come in as a you know partners.
Maybe it's a solo project.
Maybe.
Okay.
But this is season 3. It's happening on the 15th Sunday. We shall go there just
Sunday weekend.
15th
ya mwezi okuja ene guno mwezi
the coming week yeah. We also had him perform one mugundi abavubuka
yabasimbo
yakoze yabawadaka lungi,
and then also guni na ye chivulu naenda bachimuuba
and Victor by the way my guy when is it let me check out here. It's happening on the my god.
But headliners
City Apple, what I know.
Silver Springs Bugolobi. Yeah.
But headliners walabi.
Apple nganya.
That's amazing.
But headliners were better.
I like the way he's handled.
He has eight headliners.
Katugamba amina. Amina.
But
all the best. That is season 1. That is season 1.
That one this is season
season 4, season 3.
I'm not seeing anything related to the season you are murundi guno jagira. Naye nga kyenda bako nnaku z'omwezi nga nnya ogwokuna. Playhouse Fest. I don't know, is banabana bategeka ebivulu mu gospel industry, do they do it you know nga exchange ntino jango mbererewo nange nja kubeerawo, oba they pay some money, you know, to hire like Gabriel Antateba
abamu kati abayimbi ababasinga abo Victor Baina ababasinga he has moved with them
for a long while,
for a long time.
So it's more of
I think it's more of a partnership.
Even this I saw something like the money that people are bringing in actually going to charity, like next week or something.
Normally
he does this when it's towards his birthday. Like after the birthday he goes to do after this he goes like to give back to the community.
Okay.
Yes. So sente zijja aziteka mu charity kuyamba abantu.
Ebintu ebyo ndowooza
charity ako akagambo bayinanje bakajajamya buli wamu kabeerawo charity nakale.
But I think it's all about programming bulungi.
Yes.
We're programming n'olaga numbers, because gospel industry is all about, it's not only gospel industry, but events, it's all about numbers. But also commissioning about sponsors, you know, I can pull up these numbers, you know, very good to go.
And sponsor na Ennaku zino zabagaba chika ground bidala sponsor tachimugana kuwa mtu 10,000.
I also saw one for extravaganza. This guy Richard Dero, yes. And I call every Easter. So abantu bafitu bawagire tulabikenga tu, you know,
naffe tugenda kufuna ekyo tuleeta nga 57 tuliyo tukifumba ndoza ne tibiti naye tuwe buli omu agenda tuwa buno omwaka gwenda kwa mulala
tibiti tenafuna
tujja tupatana ne kuya Victor tuyinza obuukirako time twalina okubuukirako last time but wakyaliwo enjogerezaawo ezitalina kutuka naye katukirize Mukama.
Okay. Before nga tunawo mulamba sibo ne banyabo katubategeze olukungana gagadde olugenda okumogira omwaka gunene olugenda okunyenya ebitoke lugenda beera wa mwezi guno gwennyini wali eri mu kisaawo ziwandise Unra Grounds Salama Rasa Stage Kazinga we tugenda okubeera biteekedwa Bishop Kiganda ne Christian Focus Center obweza ba Christian Focus Center butimize app n'abasumba ab'enjawulo so okuvanga naku z'omwezi 22 paka naku z'omwezi 29 guno gwennyini omwezi mark nga kalenda yo ngana luno jiwandise crusade atengera conference kigenda kutokotanga sikisaanikire leto omulema leto muzibe wa maaso leta azitoyereddwa leto omuntu wa buli kikanga ense badde musoseko abamu ko magala kwemba mu miguwa teweyimba mu muguwa leto omulwaddewo ekintu kijja kulabekanga kiteebwa mu linnya lya Yesu nkuvanga nakuzamuza 22 paka ngina kuzomwezi 29 bwe tukomawo nga tuvudde mu break Pastor Bugembe alina akayimba ke yatadde yatwala just katiza akayimba kano azzayo ku nnono manyi Pastor Bugembe yomu ku bayimbi abateeka ebintu bye mwetaaga okuwulira mu nnyimba n'aleeta ekibisi at the end bwe tukomawo tugenda kubikutuusaako tuvaawo.
Welcome to Homie Sterling Schools.
Homie Sterling masomero gaddene boarding nursery ne primary school tulina amatabi asatu Homie Sterling Kamwocha Chebando ne Gayaza wano oba otuuse ku first class standard mu kusomesa si mu kibiina kyokka wabula ne mu mpisa eddiini obuyiiya ebyemizannyo abaana baffe bazannya omupiira n'aba Pro Line Football Academy MDD.
So ahead of the Women's Day that's coming up pretty soon Trisha Kobumanzi naye yeegasse ku bakyala abamu ku bakyala betumenyera ku ngalo mu gospel industry abalina ennyimba z'abamama. We have the likes of Judith Babidie, we have the likes of Gabella Ntate, ani aliao in between Sonia na yai naka imbaka ba mama, ani omulala aliao Bawera okay. Simon mimba inaka imbaka ba mama.
Waliyo omuntu azinga okuba Damasco.
Dama yeah.
Dama yeah.
Aina bili za ba mama azizona zikola bulungi.
Yes, big time.
So take us through a video ya Katiza Kiwalabeko Fibi.
Oh yes, I think last week they were shooting. Actually, they shot 2 videos last week.
Video bidding number.
The same weekend. The same weekend. They did one on Saturday and one on Sunday. Particular songs, but I know for sure that Mama Kaja this particular day. I don't know, before the day breaks.
Ngamunana.
Deronga Satu. Deronga Satu before the day breaks.
So shall be dropping it tomorrow.
Oh yes. So we will be playing it tomorrow. But I know Waka bweyale say na Patrick Miles omunamunga atanye songs are here and there. So if the clips are ready, we have the behind the scene of the video and Ubaka Bwenga Trisha Kobumanzi ahead of the Women's Day. She had things to talk about towards the ladies.
Katuweko producer Grace.
I know it's not yet, but happy Women's Day to all the beautiful women outside there. Hi beautiful people, my name is Trisha Kobumanzi and I'm a gospel artist. As we approach Women's Day, I wrote something very beautiful, a song from my heart to celebrate all women, all mothers, all people that understand the sacrifice of parenthood. This song is called Mama. It's a song that's going to celebrate you, a song that's going to speak into your life, a song that's going to bless you as you listen to it. I'm excited for you guys to watch it. I've been shooting a very beautiful video. It's been an exciting experience and this song is coming soon. So please be ready to listen in, to stream, to share, and to just celebrate all the parents and our beautiful mothers outside there. Keep streaming my music, Trisha Kobumanzi, on YouTube, Boomplay, Spotify, all streaming platforms. Let us share this music, Trisha Kobumanzi, on YouTube, Boomplay, Spotify, all streaming platforms. Let us share this music as we spread the word of God together. I love you all and God bless.
Okay, that is Trisha Kobumanzi. So officially naye yegase kuba bayimbi begwanga aba you know abalumirirwa ba mama oba abagala ba mama aba spreading obaka eri ba mama. Segmento has a song akaba mama. Anyomlala abanje abayine baba mama. I think tujaba tubufuna mpola ndoza by Women's Day.
You said Renez was releasing?
She has a brand new song. She also has a new song.
For the mama?
Okay.
No.
Just a new song. Okay.
Nenga nzenkaka za nyimba za mama zigenda kwa zifuruma wana. Either ba mama baba chara. Either two.
Yes.
Either mama baba chara. Na zikiranga no mvubuka Vera Paul.
Very poor.
Zikiranga na yayi no limbalo aba mama.
Okay.
But don't worry, we're gonna sort them out. I think we shall be dropping tomorrow. Tomorrow is our Women Crush Wednesday, right?
Yes.
So tomorrow is nyimba zingendo single kwa zingenda kwa za mama za bachara.
Okay.
Right.
Talking of Women's Day, nejo flight yakoza akayimba akabatata. I think Grace no jaja mu segmented dako jaka tufunira akayimba ako akabatata, you know, naye yasazewo a desired way, you know, a package of a song. Nagama ntino na yasima tata we so. Boboli muyimbi eyo biba bikuyibize byo kuyimba sima kubazadde bo. Enyimba zinadanga cause waliwo enyimba zitavunda. You make a Christmas song, you make a Valentine song, you make a father's song, you make a mother's song. Ezo nyimba zikomawo, you know, ate the more abantu je bakoma okuwulira enyimba nga bwezityo, the more je zikoma okufuna exposure. Then away from that, Pastor Bugembe yataddeyo katiza ku TikTok akoluyimba lwawa wazaba na Uganda amatu azzeyo kunonoze ziri eri Pastor Bugembe oli omukadde atandika akayimba nasoka kusigira ekifaani gwe kyosinga okwagana ogamba pastor yayimbye bineno naye naleeta obubaka obutuufu bwayagala gwotegeere. At the end of it all ndowooza Grace Police asooka otulage ka clip ako katizako, then n'oluvannyuma tugenda kudda. You know, Pastor Bugembe ono is one of those creative guys in this industry and he mastered the game. He mastered the industry, you know. Asobola okumanya kati abavubuka sawa zino baagala ki. Kakati internet sawa zino entunulidde kukuwasa, you know. Ayitanyigirwa mutoke. So, akayimba kandoza nawe ojake ulirako. I was with Ivan Kamoga last week when we hosted him and he was telling me just off air nangamba Pastor Bugembe ine ngoma ziringa musanvu yabadde alemereddwa okulondako by the way. Ne mubuuza lwaki. Mbone twasazeewo ne tulondako. So I think this is a song he was telling me of you know, ngageza okungamba nti no balemeddwa okola ki, balemeddwa okulondako enyimba. I think clip tujjagizanya anytime when we very ready. So wetwebuulizaawo omulamwa gwaffe gwenjagala tusharingeko namwe, you know, twebuuza nti no obubaka mu luyimba olowooza bukola nnyo amakulu nga butandisa oluyimba oba nga buli at the end. That's our topical discussion today. Twetaaga okumanya. So if you're watching right now, you can DM us or you can, you know, tag us or osobola okutuwa comment ku social media n'otubuulira comment ejja kulabika nga esomebwa bulambalamba ekintu kyaki nga kitambula. Olowooza obubaka mu nnyimba bwetaaga ng'oluyimba lutandika koza abamu babeera confused. You find someone nga mu Misiri ayinza ogamba laba pastor kyayimbye, laba wa gospel kyayimbye, you know. Kubazi mukana akayimba nawuddemu nti no bw'ota njagala mpo mukyala nga nemba sinabye, you know, nga nemba sinabye tagenda kunyiiga nga takebera simu yange, you get that. So wosanga bana abana ba social media abazanyiza social media ojja kwesanga omwana akasazeemu n'atambuza propaganda, you get that. So let's first hear from you guys before we get to the audience tulabe bo bagamba ki. But as of now, Phoebe,
fast forward. It depends on, you know, how you structure the song. Ulimba song structure. Lubane body, lubane intro, ostegede, lubane outro. Yeah, so it's very important. Inzo sango muntunga kati our western friends abazungu boba yaganye chuncha banichanga chiri fully packed. Ostegede nafuna you know the first verse, it's about the message itself. They are talking about nafuna chorus, nafuna second verse, nafuna chorus, nafuna bridge. Ostegede to start people's hopes. Most of the time bridge eberamu just, you know, to start your hope. Oba it's a jumpy thing. It's a catchy phrase in the bridge. Then now kuba outro ye. Nekati feno mufe omuntu telling a story. I think ujuka enyimba zedenye kadongo kamu what So I think even here in the African culture in Uganda, it is right omuntu okola oluyimba lwe nga message egendo sembayo. Okulukola nga message yetandika.
Generation yagala ebitambula ebidduka do we still have that time to sit on TV or to sit on radio to processing akayimba akeddakiika emu nekino beddakiika ebbiri, you know, nga message eri at the end, you know, pastor yateranga okuyimba mubakulu mubadde kani, you know that song, wowo katandika nako oyinza olwobuta musumba ati kati ayimba ki, you get that, so nga message gyayagala ofune eri at the end. Do we still have that time for Gen Z's okusinga ddala, cause this entire generation
personally I have the time. Give me a good song, I will listen to it. So I think it's dependent on who, first and foremost, who is singing, who is delivering the message. Kwa Pastor Bugembe asala wonna mukama mwadde ekisa nti abaana abato bamuwuliriza, abavuka bamuwuliriza, abakampasi bamuwuliriza, you understand. So woba ina omuntu aba ina ekisa ng'ennyimba ze ziriko ekisa nti omwana omuto asobola kutula ku luyimba n'aluwuliriza mpaka weruggwako, then najjamu meaning. So that's also a good thing to do. So I think we're not judging off people from lutandisa lutalugude. It's about the consumer. Yenga, you know, the person receiving the song agenda okulu streaming ku YouTube, ku Spotify. It's about them. Ate walujiddeyo abaine ennyonta era bajja duuliriza. Oshitegedde. So either ways,
you talking about the consumers, you know, audience tunazanjawulo waliwo abakadde ne wabeerawo abaddemu abadaddakaawo abaddakaawo ne ba Gen Z's. So kati ba consumers balaba osinga okugera kubanga bwabanga omukadde ye abakadde abamu, by the way, they can have the time to sit and listen to the entire song bo baagala kunya amakulu naye ngamba baneeno nti no tuli mu mulembe guli competitive enyiba zifulumye nga mmeka just mu budde buno wawikisa ebbiri, you get that. So when you get to a song ngate message, you know, it's like
consumer,
it's a little bit contradicting.
But listen, consumer interests differ. They differ so much.
More generations there.
Exactly. If, for example, I like Pastor Bugembe, but if I did not want to listen to his music, there is no reason that's why I would go to stream it. It's not my taste. As a Gen Z, but if I love his music, I'll stream it. I'm a consumer. I'm young, but I like his sounds. Kugenda kajayo because I'm a Gen Z or something. So number one, what I'm hearing is mostly it's a mindset issue. Okay. It's a mindset issue, and it may be where but Gen Z abamu best video gwanaga muliza zinyimba gama oyo muntu mukulu nnyo bampe le cray bampe, you understand, bampe some other person. But either ways, me I concur with the fact that song structures are different. Ate omuntu ngeja receive a message and how they want to deliver it in a song is also very, very different. Okay. So it's okay. It's good to go.
Max, what do you have to say about this?
No, there's a chisinzirani abachiko. I agree with Phoebe. Chisinzirani abachiko zana from his old Nyimba. If the song is really good, yes, we'll sit down and we'll listen. If the song is boring, trust me, never attend oza. I be abeda. I would know for some reason. Apparently, Kadongo Kamuya Chasinzo Okud is whatever Gen Z, interestingly. Like the people we call the Gen Zs. But why? We find this music to be interesting to us in a way that
exactly, it's shocking.
So you listen to a song and be like, yes. What were they talking about? And the message behind these songs is very different. Pastor Wilson, I think right now that particular song, yaisemu yo kuwasa, then okuwasa, watyango omukyala atagenda kukola byayagala, omukyala talina alingiriza mu ssimu ye. Febigenda tukwata abavubuka sinavubuka bokka waliwo abantu bangi abanize Pastor Wilson Bugembe oyo okuwasa.
Exactly.
So it is one of his best things. Era oliza mukayimba agamba kati kemba funye aina wagamba kati kemba funye kamba nnyonyi kamba buli oseke then amana isawo messages. So I think it's one of the best. Simanya mwakola folk telling in school. Webito. I think he's one of those best guys when it comes to that.
He's a very good storyteller. And he's a good
storyteller as well. Yo musajja olugero okuvaja utandika pakeri ne utakubowamu yadde no, and with interesting sounds always kuba siye musajja kukatiriza sound era ajja kuleta kadongo kamwe nkyaleta ekiriyo oludda kaleta bandi okudda kaleta ekidongo.
He will shock
you guys. You all look like musumba yakafulumiza,
and that will push you to stream the song.
But one of also the interesting thing is that kana kayimba na ebigabo byenyi byakozesa mu luyimba namulako nga bikozesa mu njiri ye. So I think he also gets some of these things in his summons. Yes. So I will know ababera bawiza musumba probably on Sundays. Oba abalaba his TikToks, TikTok how man atomoteka kenyenyenyenye. I think people that view him there are not familiar, are so familiar with what he produces for them, because literally he first preaches this particular message or he tells these stories in church before he even puts them in the music. So I gotta check out music just nga n'abantu abadde attending maybe a Sunday, over his fans because they just welcoming it. So Me one thing I know is unolimba lugenda kukola.
And he has a grace. He has that grace upon him.
Unlike because zengamba ukauka yali ataniswendo ozo kale we yayo cham katolanga kuberedene. I know I think some people are
Deputy Jesus.
Some people aren't okay with those. But zineno zinozatera okukola zinowezi.
That's his audience. That is his thing. And he ainanenge ne wabazimba inenge jabera so comfortable in it. Olaga dala tu ali waka. Okay. Kale we tukoma after this break tujja kuba tukutusa okatizako olira kayimba Pastor Bugembe ke yatutende so tu akatiza but anytime soon agenda kuba to oluyimbo olwo nayo omuntu omuyeranga Maxwell yagambye this is the real Pastor Wilson Bugembe enyimba ngaze munsi kwagala zimukama njagala kumanya zikani yakomyo mu version katunye ku mazzi n'oluvanyuma tukomeo 5 to 7.
Mukama yebaziwe mikwano nkwanjulira Abba Records studio recording musical wa gospel yeka tukola obulango awamu no promoting enyimba eza gospel tusangibwa Kawempe Tula Road okumpi ne Vegas Chill Out tukyalireko ku mitimbagano Facebook TikTok ku Abba Records oba tukubireko ku noti 7 noti 9 noti 8 noti 3 14 0709080314
Bumpy. Maxwell D, what did you just play?
The title of the song is called Donkey. Kagosipo.
Who's the other guy?
Yeah, I think that was Pompey. Then the guy went to Salmon Plate, is it?
Salmon Plate.
Chenjagala ku Pompey afuna audience ya Uganda wana
bamutegera. You know mwana gwe na yona ku Saturday. Fena tumutegedde.
Die hard.
Actually, let's play a Pompey song today.
But is it vice versa?
No, actually we are called an interview. Wale interview twazo nyando za mtibite yona ne gwayo.
Last year.
Yagamba nti Uganda wano wantu bachasinzo mu receiving. He also doesn't receive such a recognition ngali waka. Like never use Ibisawa and all that and what. Like abantu ngabayimba kigambo ku kigambo ne bayimba tubabitegeka. Tuyimba donkey. But we don't even know what donkey.
So it's also a grace kana janizo kuwano. No gaja mu gwange dala. My God.
Exactly.
Michi waneno aina wa gospel aina that particular grace ngateri wane wakaninge ina je kwata wa gospel. I think it was Exodus way back in Nairobi. Bayagala nyo Exodus we atandikiranga wa.
Exodus was loved everywhere.
Yes.
But bagala nyo in Nairobi okusinga kali Uganda wanene besides other countries.
Is what you haven't among about nyimba ngazili more appreciated in other countries. Katinga Levikson. Sometimes he looks more appreciated Katinge Rwanda.
Okay.
Those guys appreciate him big time. Big time. Nekoza jakole Burundi yao. Yatabu nyoya chikuba nyo. Ate probably maybe sometimes gawanene wafa ino kola a bit nyo.
Yes. Wow.
Grace producer soko tuweka tiza ka Pastor Wilson Bugembe akayimba kantukogeddeko nnyo abantu baga matisi mutulaga akayimba namwe kizibu mwogera nnyo mutulaga akayimba tuwulire musumba kye yalese kuno soko kituweeko we tunamala tugenda kudda tulabe munnange gwe kyogamba
naye mukama kusaba omufunira omubezi nga talina kajanja mukama kusaba omufunira omukyala ngaza mutegerera nalewe sinabe kirota yomba awujja kubasa esimu yange tagikwatako ati yange wo mama ngalewe nkoma waleti tayomba wadde nakamu awujja kubasa akolojja kubasa kati awo simba wakati nze mbadde nsaaga I needed the attention kati awo simba wakati nze nkunyumiza omusajja yansasira mukama akwagala jjukira by'oliseeko katonda wo akwagala jjukira akisidenti muyise
bwowulira Pastor Bugembe kana kayimba kayinamuko kutachi ya kandi nkwagala nange kwagala I don't know nina wempulidde sawo somewhere nga gundi enenge jefulenga mune
ne producer o nedda iye
Comparison incha.
Comparison is also bantu.
Okay.
Gwa kawulirize butowulire omuntu.
No, put them flow, you know the flow. You know, getting ange yakani kwagala, ange kwagala. No. It's a whole other different vibe.
Omukyala
yali mukani yali Pastor Justin yagamanga kani kwagala nange dobozi yali Pastor Justin. But
oluyimba lulimu n'olwa bandi ate luno lwa vulinga lwa
yali mu video afalanye yali mukani.
Ate kama mongadda
nedda era mukani temwamutegeera
kani yani yali kani. But anyways, simanyi gwe oba otegedde otya naye nga gwe mulama gwe tuyina mu kizibe basebe ne banyabo twebuuza oluyimba lukola nnyo amakulu nga luli ku ntandikwa oba lukola nnyo amakulu you know at the end of it all.
Ennaku zino ebintu byakyukamu ka TikTok kajja. Ka TikTok ako kalaba naye kaagala sekendi 30
okuwanika akantu
ebirala oba oyonoona birala tebabyagala era wansi awo so oteekawo kalinka akakutwala ku sites zo either Spotify whatsoever it is. Kati wokwata n'osalamu kapaati kokka akasooka neesika ke kagenda otambula. I'm sure the first 30 seconds we want to go oba probably content creator banaawa okuyiyayo dance challenge or something like that boka pat akana abanyumira ke banasalamu akasekendi aga
asatu
ke kagenda otambula. That is
so ekitegeeza tutuse ku season nga bobo okola akayimba nonyayo akantu
nonyamu akantu
mu luyimba lwonna nonyawo akantu agenda okutwigalinga bana Uganda
akabamu akantu
okola
luyimba lwonna
olane mu donki waliwo akapata kabakuba ennyo ekidongo it's a catchy part at the end of the day. Somehow bito bitegeera byonna but that part everyone will be able to sing along. Kati buli luyimba nakusoba bateekamu ka sing along kati we just have to wait for the sing along but okuwuliza oluyimba ne luggwayo bantu batono nnyo sirowooza oba ennyimba baziwuliza ne bazimalayo. There are songs I'll tell you I play every day I don't know how they conclude.
Naye ng'olinamu akatu akali kaci kamu ke wategeera.
Kati fe wa DJ. When is the time when do we even ever complete a song?
Jukira oba ogira n'ogira
n'ogatawula. Ate usually fe tugatta watandika. Awasemba nawe weenoonyeza okujjako nga nagenze nenduuliza nendumalayo nempulyange eno awasemba ate wali ekinyusi kati awo nja tufuna wendutemera so that tutandikire eri ate awasemba oba ofuna kyengamba and otherwise me I think the first lines matter.
Kale tujja kwongera okusoma comments zammwe mpola musajja wange kimuli badde mulese kimuli abuuziza naye musumba Bugembe ategeeza ki wano atubuuza musumba ategeeza ki
abuulira abantu kyeyetaaga kyayagala
ate kati akwata ne ku bantu abalala kozi kana akayimba n'omukyala asobola okukayimba n'agatawo ekikye nti bompa omusajja if it's a lady singing ompa omusajja atakebera simu yange abantu bebaagala batambuza obwenzi
abantu
of course kati Maxwell wetwa tweyagala n'omukyala bw'aba tanzikiriza kebera simu ekitegeeza alina byakweka if I don't know your password kitegeeza alina byokweka kati okunaaba nako you know musumba anonyeza ebintu ebiri kaki abantu bibakola abantu baagala kunaaba so bw'ofuna omukyala nga akuleka no simas ku mulimu n'ogenda mu bulangiti oba n'ogenda mu kidduveeti oba n'ogenda mu ki nga tonabye ye kimuwa emirembe tebaagala kunaaba
ategeeza musajja nti omusajja akooye
tagala kunaaba
nonyeza akayimba ka taata akajja flight musajja wange ensi etegeere abamu kubategedde obukulu obuli mu kujaguza bataata ne bamaama you know tulabike nga tubawo ebimuli byabwe you know it comes once in a while era ennyimba zino tujja ziba kuba paka nga olunaku lw'abamaama luwedde n'olw'abataata lutera okubeera waawo in between awo ng'omwaka gunatera okuggwako olw'abataana n'omwezi lwakuba terumanyikiddwa nnyo teruli popular nnyo nga olaba olw'abamaama soko tuwa akayimba ka taata akajja flight ke yadedicatingidde eri muzeeyo ono n'omuyimbi wa gospel ayita ekyebbeeyi kya taata nange mukama bw'anampa eddoboozi eriyimba taata wange omulungi mwagala nnyo nja mumukolerayo ekintu ekijja okumufuula
nange ngenda kweyimbiramu
ogenda kweyimbiramu
nowadays there is a way I love myself I feel like I should sing myself a song for what me and myself we have gone
have
through
accomplished.
and we have accomplished
The milestones.
the milestone we have worked together
Hey.
for me and myself. Naye akamuzei wange obuyimba gye buli bungi. Obuyimba gye buli bungi ngabona batata ne mama. Era muzei lumu ngenda kujja n'omukubira oluyimba ne mama.
Olumuweereza.
Ndumuweereza muge muzei ne mama olupula oluyimba lubabeeremu. Oba Jasmine otusilva tulinamu obuzibu naye. Naye dance jane mukubira omuzadde Katonda wa. Tujazi bayimbira enkya.
Okay.
Nenta women.
Zona
Oh,
tajja.
When is Mother's Day? When is Mother's Day?
Yes, Sunday.
Yeberawo 7th.
Women's Day, yeah, 8th.
Women's Day.
Women's Day, yeah.
Hey.
Because there is actually a Mother's Day.
Mother's Day.
Hey.
Kati
Naye
what is
ejja
it?
kubeerawo tujja gikebera kalenda nompola mpola naye nga naye ebeerayo mpola.
Kandi ozubiyo ne bajo officiating oba ffe tugwamu ngwe.
Siwo nange.
Same as fathers bangane nolunaku lwa batata gye.
Yeah,
I was
batata
trying to
gye
fight for the male figure last time.
Mm.
And I was still there is a day.
Mother's Day ebeerawo nga 10th
Nga 10th.
May. That's the Mother's Day, 10th May. Regenda okubeerawo. Then when we get to the Father's Day ebeerawo nga June 21st.
So it's
That
near.
is the Father's Day, June.
It's about to
So we shall
unfold.
do something for the fathers.
Yes.
But nowadays, ebintu byakyukamu nti you can no longer zero out on one mother. Just sanji zinene abantu be basalawo nti no mama abeera omu. Naye edda omwana yabeeranga wakyalo nga buli mukyala
Nga n'emboko bakuba.
I'm telling you.
buli mukyala kukyala bamaamawo. And most of us, me, I know I have very many mothers. But I'm telling you, I'm entitled to so many people. Oba okyali awo tunakubira bye wayambadde leero tebyansanyusizza. Okitegeera nga ne mayimba eno kiko mother hasn't yet called me to ask me those questions. So ennaku zino abantu
But apparently I think
Many parents.
abakola ekintu ekyo ekyokugunjula abaana kiri nnyo mu basumba ba spiritual fathers.
Paka mwana takuzibu.
Yeah, but spiritual fathers. I noticed
that was what I was coming
I
to.
noticed that we were at the beach. I posted some pics of mine. So my pastor is not in the country. Yakubya amasimu nga 8.
Hey.
You know, no.
Telling you to put them
That's
down.
not necessarily
Nakabe chicham.
Bije. So, but spiritual fathers, you know,
Yeah.
bachikola nnyo ekintu ekyo. So abazadde we bali.
It's good. It's good to have some of those people aside
Yes.
us. Nti omanyi waliwo ebintu oluusi ebinkalubiriza okugamba bazadde bange era niyinza okwanguwa tobigamba maybe my spiritual mother kitegeera niyinza okwanguyirwa nnyo bimugamba ate kisinza kola ku biological parent oba yayinza okungamba ekintu nenkitegeera mu concept ye ate mama child because parents at home will put in emotions. Always have emotions attached.
Exactly.
Kati bikyalo byakola omwana namusomesa yadda mu bwadiji.
Yes.
They always have emotions attached. Naye there's some people ajja okunyonyola ekyo nakanidda kati olaba ekituufu kiri wekiti ne wekiti ekintu n'okyesonyiwa. Yeah.
Anyway,